Unit 4.
Track 23.
Hippies, punks, skaters, and now chavs. There's no end to the number of teenage cults and fashions. But just what is it that makes young people choose to join a subculture? With me in the studio to discuss this is Dr. Mark Mondale, Professor of Sociology at Goodman Brown University in West Virginia, Dr. Jane Webb, Professor of Psychology at Uxbridge University, and Matt Hodges, Head of the Students' Union at Waterloo College in Liverpool.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Let's start with you, Dr. Webb. What does make a young person decide to become a goth or a skater?
Well, Nigel, there are all sorts of different reasons, but it seems to me that it's all part of becoming an adult. The thing is, when young people are in their teens, they start to question the values and lifestyles of the adult world they see around them. So, parents, other adults or older brothers and sisters often stop being role models for teenagers for a time. Instead, young people look for new role models from their peers, people of the same age. And of course, they're also looking for friendship or acceptance.
So you're saying that it's a reaction against the adult world?
That's right. Although, in reality, it's much more complicated than
Well,
that.
I have to say,
Yes, Dr. Mondale?
I have to say I cannot agree with that at all. As far as I'm concerned, becoming a goth or a skater has absolutely nothing to do with looking for role models. Look at young people 60 years ago. They looked and behaved like younger versions of their parents. Frankly, it's all about money. If you think about it, every new youth fashion makes millions of dollars for the fashion and music industries.
So how do you explain groups who are completely anti-commercial, like goths? People who buy second-hand clothes and
Well, frankly, that explains my theory exactly, by choosing not to buy.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but perhaps at this point we should ask Matt Hodges for his views. Matt?
Personally, I believe it's all about music. I'm into nu metal. My favourite band is Biotoxine. It's only natural that you want to spend your time with other people who enjoy and understand this music. And then these people become your friends. You have fun with them. They help you if you have problems and...
Which is exactly my theory about looking for answers from people the same age.
Well, actually, it shows that the music industry has the most say in what
You sociologists are all the same. You think people can't make up their own minds and...
Well, the day that a psychologist gives me a good explanation of how people behave is the day that I personally...
Well, I've got 3 teenage sons, and I do know what I'm talking about
I was
here.
a teenager, too.
Well, we'll have to leave it there. In next week's programme, we're talking about what can be done to end the conflict between different youth groups. I hope you can join me with my special guests, eminent...